It's early November over here at AeroHub Boulevard, but construction work is still happening. As you can see behind me, the biggest thing over the last week or so has been the fact that the building has started to stand up. The steel company has begun the process of assembling the steel members that'll make the shell of the building. The steel that you see now will support just the building itself. The cranes will be supported by separate columns that'll stand alongside of the columns that you see here. That steel assembly process is going to take several weeks. One of the more exciting things with the steel is going to be the signature beam that's actually down at Reading now. Our paint department has painted that white and has it ready for General Tool employees to put their signature on. And that'll be one of the final beams that goes up. And that'll be visible from the production floor in the new building. That's going to happen on Monday, November 6th. We hope that all of our GTC employees can sign that beam. We're going to celebrate your signature with some Cincinnati signature favorites. Grippos potato chips and Cervati pastries and cookies. Just so hopefully you can stop by on November 6th and sign that beam, and then we'll document that as it stood up at the near the end of the assembly process here on the main building. Also on site we have our paving company that's finishing up the gravel. We hope to see blacktop go down within the next week or so. Our utility contractors are here as well. They're working on the lines that'll drain the sewers from the building. It's not exactly an exotic operation, but nonetheless, I'll be happy to have clean sewer pipes on this new building. Hopefully we don't have a paper towel issue like we do from time to time on some of our other facilities. We also have electricians, plumbers on site continuing their work on the trades, as well as the concrete contractor is pouring the walls and getting ready to pour the slab for the office space. So a whole lot going on. Work will continue throughout the winter. As the frame goes up, right behind that, you'll see them putting on the sides and the roof structure as well. And hopefully by Christmas time, this thing is under roof and watertight. So that's our update for this week.